The DHCP, the Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, an application layer protocol that allows for the automatic assignment of internet protocol address to the host on a network. So basically, here the client is requesting for an IP address. So this DHCP allows for assignment of those, IP addresses. It uses client-side model IP addresses and to provide IP address and other network information. So it can assign both permanent and temporary IP address, making it ideal for different configurations such as travel, large ISPs, internet service providers with limited IP address resources. So functionalities are what? There are four functionalities. That is, it provides a host with essential network information like IP address, network prefix, router address, and DNS server address. So DHCP message format. So actually you need to know this diagram for that message format. As you can see, the same the same terms, whatever the fields are there, are used here. So see, opcode, hardware length, type, transaction ID, and all the four addresses: client, your server, gateway, then client hardware server name, address, server name, boot file name. So you just have to write about this. So options fields carries additional information like DHCP message types. So option 56 is particularly important for messages types like, so messages type you simply write DHCP discover, offer, request, acknowledge. Again you have to write about this DHCP operations and explain. Discover is nothing but client sends a browser. So I want discovering. This server protocol will discover if there is any requests are made or not. Like, so client will broadcast to discover available DHCP server. So I am a client who is discovering servers by sending a broadcast. DHCP offers. So this DHCP offers by responding to this broadcast, sending an offer which includes IP address and lease time. Then DHCP request. So client then this offer likes the offer and sends a request from a specific server for this IP address. Then DHCP acknowledges, the server acknowledges this request by assigning the IP address to this client. So the ports are there which are used by server and client differently. So 67 is used for use. 68 port is used for client for proper communication. So fixed ports avoids confusion in the case of multiple clients on the same time. So ports are fixed, right? So servers are, if multiple clients are there, so this fixed ports will to distinguish between the clients and other servers. Error control and retransmission. It uses but also uses checksum and retransmission for policies to ensure reliability. There are different transition steps like initial, selecting, requesting, bound, renewing, and rebinding. Then it comes about network address transmission. So this is all about DHCP. So there is also few questions about this in model paper. So we'll discuss that later in the end of model paper.